Good morning. I'm Wayne with Best Line Equipment here in Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. Just take a few minutes today to talk to you about snow removal equipment. This year you're going to find that snow removal equipment is going to be in low supply and high demand. So if you have a need for a snow blower, I would suggest that you go out and get one as soon as you can find the time. Today we're going to look at the Husqvarna brand snow blowers. That's what we're going to have in inventory this snow season. What we're going to have is three different series. Husqvarna is going to have a 200 series, a 300 series, and a 400 series snow blower. And I'll show you some of the differences. So if we're looking at the 200 series, what I have here is the ST227. That's going to be a 200 series 27-inch wide snow blower. This is the same model, just in a 30-inch version. So on the 27-inch, we have a 7.5 horsepower engine. On the 30-inch, it bumps up a horsepower to 8.5 horsepower for the extra snow that you're going to drive through it. These guys are going to be driven by a friction disc transmission, and all your controls are going to be right back at the operator's station behind the unit. When we get into our 300 series, I'll show you some of the improvements that they make. The first thing you might notice is this has an extra weight on the front to give a little more downforce on your auger. You'll notice the auger is slightly heavier, the gearbox is heavier, and your impeller in the back to throw the snow out is also a cast piece. It's a heavier duty unit. This also is a friction disc transmission style. So these three models are going to have 6 forward speeds and 1 reverse speed. And finally, we look at the 400 series. Again, you're getting a little bit more improvement. So again, we have the heavy auger, heavy gearbox, the heavy impeller. Around the side, if you look, you're going to have extra plating back here behind the wheels. You're going to have a heavier duty discharge chute area. And then this one bumps up to a hydrostatic transmission drive. So it's going to be an infinite variable speed drive system. And also, you'll notice all these machines are going to have nice LED lights, so when you're out at night, you'll have a nice clear path to see by. That pretty much sums up what we're going to have in inventory for the year. Price-wise, we're going to start out around $1,100 all the way up through. You're going to be about $2,300 on this 400 series in a 24-inch clearing path. Again, this is Wayne with Best Line. If you're looking for some snow removal equipment, come to any of your nearest Best Line locations. Thank you.